Yeah, what a wonderful event. Another Friday at the Cape Town Thames. I think it's our 11th year now, and the kiss and the vibe is just unbelievable. It's dressed up there on Friday. We still got another day to go on Saturday, but that's what this is about, you know, just really enjoying Cape Town, having a good time. And
ladies and gentlemen, it's yet again a beautiful day in the Mother City. Sun's out, guns out, people coming together to build gears at Cape Town Thames 2019. I say, if I'm not going to see you here, I'm going to be sad because everyone is here. SA rugby legends, celebs, we've got live bands, we've got rappers like Jack Barrow sneaking out, scoring tries. You need to be here. Cape Town Thames 2019. Alhamdulillah!
Can you take me where the sky ends and hear the voices echoing? It pulls me close to where I belong. Erase me from this place, can't go on, it's been too long. Drift away from here, disappear till it's all gone. Watch it all unfold, it's not easy to hold on, And if the
It's been an amazing day of rugby, netball, dodgeball, soccer, volleyball. All of it is happening over here. Tomorrow we actually have a run in the Green Point Stadium. It's going to be incredible. Make sure day one.
would you remember the things we said? If only we could go
Started off as a small festival and it's turned into a celebration of sport generally, friendship, music and good times. I love this place.